here at the beautiful Tyrolean resort of Hintertux, Austria for the 2015 Ellis-Brigham ski test.
Let's catch up with our staff to see how the kit tested.
Black Pearl, all-time favourite. It has been top of the testing for years and years and years. Took them out this year again, loved it again. Full sidewall construction makes it really nice and grippy on piste. However, 80 lm underfoot allows you good flotation once you want to go off-piste. It's a true all-mountain ski. You can really take it anywhere you want to. Thanks to big rockers, it gives you the illusion that you're on wider powder skis. Once you go off-piste, it floats really nicely, almost effortless ride. If you only want to take one pair of skis with you, this would pretty much do everything on the mountain for you.
This is my all-time favorite. What's so special about it is I can take it anywhere. I can ski any terrain and it never disappoints. The Flipcore makes it a great ski, whatever terrain. So slushy snow and crust, a little bit of powder, it's great whenever you take it. It has its own energy in very short turns, really smooth in long radius turns, and any terrain I skied. 88mm waist makes it pretty universal ski. It handles like a Piske on piste and floats really nicely off piste. You don't have to ski it really hard to get the most out of it.